We at Rigid made our lifetime service agreement for one simple reason, so you can trust your Rigid power tools. We never want our tools to let you down, and that's what sets us apart. Our tools are our work, and much like you, we take our work very seriously. That's the LSA difference. But what does it actually mean? Well, to compare it, let's do a thought experiment. Let's give two contracting companies the same amount of money towards a new set of tools. One team will spend it all on Rigid power tools. The other team will spend it on the competition. And over the course of, let's say, 3 years, you and your tools and batteries are going to do a lot of hard work. And over time, some may not hold up as planned and have to be repaired or replaced. With Rigid, even if your tools and batteries fail with regular use, it won't cost you anything. But the other guys, not so much. And that's just 3 years. What about the next 5? Or 10? All that spending adds up. Wouldn't you rather use that money to expand and grow your business? Not hold it together, repairing and replacing tools just to keep up? Not only do we at Rigid Power Tools cover every part of every tool and battery, but we do it for life. We are committed to putting the highest quality tools into the hands of the people who need them. And our lifetime service agreement is just one way we stand behind our products. So go out, buy Rigid Power Tools, register them, and use them for life.